Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your screen lock pattern on Ellipal 2.0. To do it, click on Settings in top left corner. Now go to Screen Lock, Pattern Setting, and you can click on Pattern, then click on Change Pattern and enter your current pattern. Now enter your new pattern. I wanted to change it to the same one that was there. Let's try a different one. Now let's repeat it. My pattern was changed successfully. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.